What's up, YouTube fam? I'm hoping you guys can see this real quick. Right here is what I got is a 7-pound pork shoulder. All right, so this is 7 pounds total pork shoulder. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to make some in-house barbecue. All right, pulled pork barbecue. But I'm going to do this pretty much, finish this off in the Instant Pot. So I'm going to put this in the oven. I'm going to season it up, put it in the oven. And then after it cooks in the oven for a little bit, just so it can get brown on the outer parts, I'm going to go ahead and take it and put it in the Instant Pot so that it can get fully tender and we can go from there. So this is the basic seasonings that I do have, which I got some black pepper. So I'm putting the black pepper on here now. And I want to try to hit all sizes, all right? And that's what I'm going to do. So right now, I got the black pepper on there. Then I got a little bit of this here Louisiana Cajun for the salt purposes. Alright. Sprinkle a little bit on that. And then I have some regular old barbecue seasoning. Alright. That's all that is. Some regular old barbecue seasoning. And you could use whatever seasonings that you have on hand in your cabinet, so it won't make a big of a deal. And I just love this stuff. So these are the only two seasonings, well, the only three seasonings that I do have. Some black pepper, and I did use some Louisiana Cajun seasoning. That's because I want some of that salt content on here. And then I have some of this here barbecue seasoning, and that's all that we're basically going to put on this pork. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and season up all sides of this pork, and then we'll get right back into the video. All right, okay, YouTube, so right now we got our oven set at 375 degrees. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take this roasting rack, put this roasting rack on a sheet pan. Alright, so now I'm going to just take this pork shoulder or the pork butt and place it on that rack. And I just want to set this in our oven at 375 degrees just until I can get a nice brown crust on this here meat. And after the cooking time, which I want this to set in the oven for at least around about a good hour or probably about a good 2 hours. And then I'm going to take it and put it in the Instant Pot. All right, so a good 2 hours is what I want as far as that goes in the oven. All right, so let me go ahead and put this in the oven right now. Okay, y'all, I just took this out the oven. I let it cook at 375 degrees for about 2 hours in the oven, and I like the way that it's looking right now. So what I'm thinking, I'm gonna let it go for about another hour in the oven before I put this in the Instant Pot. All right, because that's still gonna give me a nice little crust on the outer edges, and I know that the Instant Pot is gonna definitely do its thing as far as getting this meat moist for me. So let me just do that. Put this back in the oven for another hour. All right, so we'll be back. Okay, YouTube fam, it's been in the oven for 3 hours, and I got the crust nice and brown. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take some of my all-time favorite barbecue sauce, and if you know me right now, George's is one of them. So I got this hot barbecue George's that I'm pouring on right now. If you can't find George's and you want me to make a homemade barbecue sauce Carolina style, just let me know. So I'm putting it in the pressure cooker, sealing the top up on this thing, and I want to set this pressure cooker at 45 minutes. So I wanted to pressure cook for 45 minutes. Yes, we let it cook in the oven for about 3 hours so it can brown up on the outside, and we're putting it in the pressure cooker right now so we can tenderize it. I hit that pressure release valve, and I'm telling you, y'all, got to be careful hitting that pressure release valve on your pressure cooker. You might get scorched. But now I'm taking the top off. If you look at this here pork It's ready to pull apart. And I'm telling you, if you can smell some of that there Carolina style barbecue sauce from George's, it's off the chain. This is how you know if your pork is ready to eat. You can remove that bone. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. It's time to eat. Let's eat some barbecue. Y'all know what I'm talking about. So you could definitely take some tongs or some forks, shred it up the best way you can. And I just shredded it up right here in the pressure cooker. So I'm serving this up with some sausage country boil. This is what I call it, sausage country boil. It look good, y'all. And I got some of this here butter beans and corn. Boy, that's some country eating right there, y'all. Look here, this barbecue is ready to serve up on the plate. So let's go ahead and serve this baby on up right now. If you want to see that butter bean and corn recipe, comment below. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is put me some of this here sausage country boil up on one of these plate sections. Somebody's about to eat pretty dang good. You understand? So we keeping this just your typical barbecue plate. Typical barbecue plate. Look at that there butter beans and corn. Y'all want to see this video? Comment below if you want to see the butter bean and corn recipe. It's something that you would definitely love. But look at that barbecue. Look at that barbecue. Somebody say, I want to go to the South to get me some barbecue. I'm telling you right now that George's is about to put something on it. Oh, look here. That original George's, y'all. I got to sprinkle that baby right there. Yes, gotta have my George's on my barbecue. I use this for every time I cook barbecue. I always use George's. That's my must go-to. You know what I'm saying? That George's barbecue. But like I said, if you want to see me make my own Eastern Carolina style barbecue recipe, comment below for that as well. Last but not least, I want to say what's up to Country Earl. He works down there at the George's Barbecue Company. And I want to say what's up to Jared. Those my dudes. Also, thank you so much for watching Ray Mack's Kitchen and Grill. Please subscribe for more videos. Watch these videos. I guarantee you will love them. And please hit that like button. And please leave a comment below. Love and not hate. Don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Love you guys. Peace.